This video comes from Central Oregon, where a group of teenagers saw something terrifying walking in a field. They describe as moving on all fours and then standing on two legs.
Oh my god, Can someone get the flashlight? Go get the flashlight, Eric. Holy It's behind the bush again.
Behind the ridge.
It's behind the bush over there.
It was definitely on two legs.
Yes, it was walking. Right there. You see it right there? It's huge. See it over there?
Everything was going okay, until Teen decided to tease the creature.
Sure. Hey! Hey! Oh, that's great.